So today we'd like to talk about what we consider the modern data center. We have a workshop that we do with our customers where we sit down with them, understand their environment, look at modernizing those things. Maybe they're running legacy HCI stacks or even older storage platforms, things that would align with refreshes of those on-premises environments. And we try to look at what they have, look at their capabilities as far as their staffing and skilling, and then come up with the right approach and adopt platforms to run those workloads. So it's not necessarily about the hardware speeds and feeds. Certainly right sizing is the equations that we do to make sure that those things are available and perform adequately. But it's really about a fit, right? And so that we're a strong believer in it's not necessarily about the tools. It's about how those tools are employed and maintained. So that's extremely important as you look at running workloads on premises or even in cloud to do that. So what we like to do is really look at things on an application by application basis, understand the performance needs for those, understand the availability and connectivity needs for those consuming those applications, and then look at approaches to run those workloads holistically. So it's not only going to be about how we are running those workloads, what platforms they're on, but also how are we protecting that data? How are we making sure that it stays available? How are we building resiliency into that so that we can maintain high SLAs as far as uptime? So it's really about, these workshops are really about exercising that, iterating through it, brainstorming with the customers, whiteboarding, doing iterative sessions to come up with the right designs and solutions for their workloads and for their teams to adopt.